Hey, Chris Matthew here from Skynet.im. Remember the little Raspberry Pi device that I connected to Skynet earlier with this little LED light that you can control? Remember, let me refresh your memory here. I wrote a quick little Skynet.js app that basically lets you turn off and on this little device. If you say on, yeah, you get it on, you click off, and that's all being controlled through the REST API, the Skynet API. And then I think you remember, it's a responsive web app, runs on Twitter Bootstrap. You can run it on the mobile device too. So if you turn it on from the mobile device, you can see it turned on the screen, lit up the light. Again, you can turn that off. That's all pretty cool. But then I started playing with Tropo and the SMS API, and with about I don't know, 6 lines of code. I'll show you in here in a minute. You can send messages, text messages, basically to a telephone number registered on Tropo. And then Tropo basically calls the same REST APIs to turn off or on this light. So I'm going to text the word on to this San Francisco Tropo number. Let me turn that on so you can hear it when it texts back. Okay, so I just got a response from Tropo saying turning LED light on, and sure enough, the REST API response actually beat the text, so the light went on. So if we text that same number off, here I'm going to hit off there, you'll see that, hopefully. And then it should turn the message. There it is. Turn the light off, and it should respond. There it is. Turning LED off. So pretty cool. Here, let me show you the code, and I'll post this in a blog. But this is basically it. It uses I wrote it in Ruby. It uses the REST client. So when it receives an incoming call, if the text is equal to on, it replies back and says turning LED on, and it sets LED on, and same with off, sets LED off, and then it just makes a simple post to skynet.im/messages, says all devices turn red, on or off, whatever we set it, and the content type is application JSON. That's it. Control your devices on Skynet with Tropo, phone calls, and SMS.